Right here.
Did anybody hear what I just said?
What was that?
I didn't hear.
You didn't hear anything? Oh, okay. So, do you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I had a question on number one. I know how to get the answer, I just couldn't figure out which mean I was supposed to use. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
So to find z, I realize you have to subtract like the 0.90 from the mean, and then you divide it by the standard deviation, but to get z, but I didn't understand which mean I was supposed to use out of the statistics. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. And I found it. I just don't remember
Which
how
one?
I found it.
So like, I don't know. I was in the I'm in the SPSS document of the average baseball whatever, and there's 1, 3, 5, and 7 for the years, and I don't know which one to use. Or do we even use that?
I think that's what I use, but I honestly don't remember.
You know, Joseph or Annie?
We get into the SPSS yet, and
Yeah. I'm.
I don't know why it's not downloading right or something. And
Are you on a Mac?
yeah.
Yeah, I had to call help desk because one of the links is broken for one of the things you have to download.
Oh, really?
And they had to give me the correct link to download something to make it work.
Oh. Okay, yeah, I'll probably have to do that because it's just gonna. It's not have. I haven't got it working, so yeah. But I was wondering if you guys could help me out with that today.
You could. Are
Well, not
you
helping
through the
with that,
school?
but just with the assignment information.
Are you wanting to buy the program or do it through like the school's desktop?
Well, I bought the program, but
Oh, you bought it? Oh,
yeah, I don't know if we're supposed to or not.
I don't know what to do if you bought it.
Yeah, I don't know what to do if you bought it either.
Sorry. I did. I just went through the school, did the virtual website or whatever.
Oh, okay. Well, I can
But
still.
I mean, I don't know. Are you here in Rexburg, Joseph?
Yeah.
Oh, you are. Yeah, maybe take it to the help desk or call them and see if they can help you out. Cause I don't know
Yeah.
how to do that.
Yeah, definitely.
Is Annie? Can you hear us? I think her computer froze or something. But
Yeah.
um, so Jeff, you don't remember that one?
I have it written down on my paper how I found the mean and standard. Well, I wrote down the mean and standard deviation. I just don't remember how I found it.
Really? See, because I was so confused. Because to find the standard deviation and the mean, I just used SPSS and made the graph or whatever. But none of them are in accordance to what the answers are that are given. So I was really confused about that. So let's see.
Let's see, and those. So that's 2.6. Yeah, I honestly don't remember how I found
How you did that one?
how I did that one.
Let me see here. See if I can. Oops. Because that's how you find z, right? They give you the observation, and then you minus the observation from the mean, and then you divide it from the standard deviation, which gives you your z value, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, and then so with the unusual and the not unusual, like I read up on that, but like it said if it's really far from Z, then it's unusual, and if it's closer to Z, it's usual. So
So if the z value gives you your standard deviation, if you're looking at a bell curve,
okay.
so and they said within two standard deviations, that's when you have like 90, what is it, 98% or
Oh yeah, the 68, 95, or wait,
yeah,
oh
so
no,
95% of data lies within two standard deviations of the mean.
yeah.
So if your z is 2 or less, then that is considered not unusual because it's within the normal limits. And if your z value is greater than 2, that means it's unusual.
Okay.
So say your number is 1.99, then it's not unusual. If it's 2.01, it's unusual because it's greater than 2.
Oh, I see.
Does that make sense?
So if it's greater than, wait, so if your standard deviation, so it all depends on your standard deviation. Is that what you're saying?
So if your z value is 2,
Yeah.
that means it's 2 standard deviations away from your mean.
Oh, okay. So like on the first one, like I understand how she, well, I kind of understand how she got it. I don't know where she gets the mean from, but on the first one, she said that it was unusual and the z value is negative 2.88. So that
Because
means it's
it's greater than, so you have your mean in the middle. It
yeah,
would be 2 standard deviations
away from that, right?
away or to a lesser number. That's why it's negative. So this would
Oh.
be less. This would be below the first. This would be really low.
Okay, and then the next one says that it's negative 1.059 since it's not greater than 2, then it's considered not unusual because it's only
Exactly.
one standard deviation away.
Exactly.
Ah, I see. I get it. Yeah, I get how to do it. I just don't know which numbers to use. Did you use the histogram to find your? Do you remember if you used a chart?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Yeah.
I'm almost positive that I did. I just don't remember exactly what I had to do to find it.
Yeah. 9.
Because like the mean is 0.261 and your standard deviation is 0.034.
Wait, your mean was what?
0.261.
0.261. See, I just let me see here. I'm gonna try to find that.
I try and look it up too, but I just know from experience if I open up SPSS, I lose Hangout.
Oh really? That's weird.
Yeah, for some reason it shuts it down, and I haven't tried going into SPS the little desktop first.
Are you on a Mac as well, John?
Yeah, me and Sean I think are both on Macs.
Yeah. We are.
Hmm.
At least I am. Yeah, so I just have the two desktops, so I'm just switching back from my computer, and I was surprised it kept me on video while I'm over on the school's computer. But so what did you, Jeff? You said that the mean was what?
0.261.
0.261. What's that? And then the standard deviation, what was it?
0.034.
Okay. Did you say 0.034?
Yes.
Let me try that again. 0.190 divided minus by. You said okay. Sorry. So you said the mean was what again?
So the mean is 0.261.
0.261. Okay. And then
the standard deviation is 0.034.
0.034. Okay. Let's see here. That I get it. Yeah, that I mean that comes out exactly what you're supposed to get. Just a little confused on how you get that mean standard deviation. Because do you understand what I mean? Because there's the 4 years in the
Yeah, 'cause it gives you different data years.
yeah. So I wonder if it's the most recent. It probably is the most recent. I just haven't done it. Let me just try that real quick. See what happens.
Did you guys understand the percentile stuff at the end?
On the preparation for one, or
There was a question on the preparation just asking about like the 10th percentile, and I did the homework, some of it, and it asked for like 35th percentile, and I was wondering if you guys knew how to convert that to a z-score, or if that is the z-score.
oh, I see.
Yeah.
Which number is that one?
I think it's the last one on the homework.
Oh, the 66th percentile one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I did this big long equation trying to figure that out, and I got it wrong.
Yeah, I know. I spent forever trying to just think of how you get that, but I didn't see that in the preparation stuff. But maybe it was there and I just didn't see it.
I know one of the videos talks about it, and I haven't been able to watch the videos yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what we could do? I guess we could just. Since I don't know, Jeff, you probably have pretty much everything done. I don't have pretty much everything done just because I'm so confused on how to get these answers. I guess we could, I don't know, continue to work on it ourselves and then do what we did last time and email each other what our answers are. And then, or I guess we could do the homework assignment like last time and then email each other what our answers are before we submit them. And just compare and ask questions, just like last time, if you want to do that.
Sure.
That way we just don't sit on the computer all day trying to figure it out. Yeah. I'm going to try to go to a tutor and see if they can help me out because I'm confused right now. So, but...
Is everyone here in Rexburg?
I live in Idaho Falls, and Annie lives in Mexico.
Oh, okay. Well, if well, maybe we could if everybody had time, we could. Well, I guess not Annie, but maybe unless she wants to come up. But maybe we could all find time and meet up together, or if not, me and you, Sean, and then we could get on with everyone else. But
yeah, my schedule's pretty open today.
Okay.
If I know you live in Idaho Falls, so that's a little farther away, but yeah. I could. I mean, I'm just right here in Rexburg, and I can meet with you, Joseph, anytime. Do you like Joseph or Joe?
Joe's fine with me.
Joe, okay. So, yeah, if you... I mean, what's your schedule like?
Today I just had class from 12 to 1, and then from 3:15 to 4:45. And so after that, I'm free.
Okay, so, I mean... and I don't know. If you just want to keep doing this how you're doing it, Jeff, just talking on this and then comparing. I mean, if you really want to get together, you can. But
yeah, I wouldn't have time for it. I worked last night. I work a little bit tonight, and then I work a day shift tomorrow, and then Friday I leave for Boise for the weekend.
Okay, that's fine. So I knew your schedule was pretty intense, working full time and stuff. But Joe, yeah, we can meet up. What's your phone number?
It's 208.
Okay.
403 7971.
What was it? 403 971?
7971.
7971. Okay. All right. I'll keep in contact with you then, Joe. And I guess we'll just do the homework together and just email each other what we get. Joseph, yeah. Joe and I could probably do the homework together and then email you, Jeff and Annie, and see what we get, if we have questions about it before we submit it and stuff. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Great.
Yeah, I opened last night at work. I opened up the test, and it for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. But they do kind of talk about the percentile things too a little bit. So
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my only foggy area with this assignment was the percentile stuff. But
Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, I guess we'll just talk later then. Email each other. So, and Annie just said that she's going to email her answers to us. So.
okay, perfect. Yeah, I think that's better because Annie's internet connection seems to fight her a little bit more. So
Yeah. Exactly.
I think we can communicate. I mean, we still have to meet and record these, but
Yeah. I mean, as long as she's on here, I don't think you'll because her picture is right there. She's trying to be a part of it. So.
she's doing her best.
So I think that's all that our teacher really cares about is that we're here trying to figure it out. So, all right. Oh, did I lose you guys?
No, I gotcha.
Oh, okay. My computer, one of the desktops, just shut down. Okay. Cool. All right. So I guess we'll just talk a little later. Okay.
all right.
All right.
We'll see you guys.
Okay. Cool. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.
Hey, take it easy, guys.